What's up, what's up, what's up? You already know this is Peach, and today I'm going to get me some free face masks. Y'all know I bought these masks last night from one of my friends for $13. Ooh, 10 for the kids. Some of y'all say I got ripped off. I don't feel like I got ripped off because, for one, she's a black business owner. I try to support black business. For two, what's the number two? I just don't feel ripped off. I'm just happy to help her. It went to a black family. Like, that's how I feel. I don't feel ripped off. Even though y'all might feel ripped off. Y'all like, you could have went to Old Navy and got them for $250. $250 at Old Navy. That's true. I probably could have. I didn't know that. But I know now, at least, you know, she made $63 for me. Those $63 could help buy food for their home, pay a bill. It supported her business. And I'm not going to knock her business or her hustle. I don't care if she was selling them for $20. I would rather give them to somebody I know than somebody who I see out here trying to be a hustler than to give them to a stranger. That's just me. It's just me. Okay, but anyways, they're giving out in the city of Tampa and in Hillsborough County. They have made wearing face masks mandatory. So y'all know before I was going everywhere without a face mask, and I was like, where's your mask? You need to wear your mask, young lady. You need to wear your mask. Well, now I gotta wear my mask, so I can no longer be hard-headed. The city of Tampa is giving out free masks. I'm gonna take y'all with me to see how difficult or how easy it is to get them. Let's go. Masks are now required in Hillsborough County and in the city of Tampa. The county and the city are giving out free face masks at certain parks. So this is 18th Street Park. That's what we call it, but I think it's like Al Barnes something park. If you look it up on Google, we call it 18th Street Park. This is what it looks like. It is in a predominantly black community of East Tampa. They have a little tent set up. You're supposed to drive up and get your mask. So I'm gonna drive up and get my mask. I just want to show y'all what it looked like because my windows in my car are so dirty. Y'all weren't gonna be able to see this part. But yeah, you just drive up and get them. They're absolutely free. I don't know what you have to show. So let's see how easy or how hard this is. It don't look like nobody really taking advantage. Just a few people, but nothing too crazy.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good.
How many people in your household?
7.
7? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. So they gave 2 masks per person. They didn't ask for an ID or anything, y'all. And they're doing this at more than one location. So instead of buying masks, if you're in the city of Tampa or Hillsborough County, you could just pull up and get you some masks. This is what they're looking like. They're reusable. They're washable. They're washable masks. Wow. So I could have saved $63, but like I said, I don't mind. It was to help a friend. They have these instructions on it. Anyone could be a carrier of COVID-19 and not know it. You play a role in protecting your community against COVID. This face covering will help reduce the likelihood of the spread. This face covering does not replace the N95 used by healthcare. This face covering is one way to combat the virus. All this good stuff. Y'all see that. And so it's 5 in this pack, 5 in this pack, and then these. I'm going to put one on so I can show y'all what it's like what it looked like. The material is good. Like, it feels like a cloth, like a t-shirt. Oh, I probably should wash these. I can't, hold on, y'all. My big head felt this thing. What about your ears? And they didn't have any kid size. It's just like one size. There's one size fit most, maybe. So this is what it looks like, and it's absolutely free. It's like the thickness of it. It's like this. This mask, I will say, is thicker. This one is thicker than this one. And this mask is actually comfortable. This one was supposed to be for my 12-year-old, but my mom ended up wanting the Paris mask that I bought last night, so I ended up having to use this earlier when I went to the store. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit a like you like, hit a like you like, hit a like you like for your girl. If you are in Hillsborough County, make sure y'all go cop these free masks. I'm gonna put back on my seatbelt I know some of y'all stay the patrol like, girl, put on your seat. I'm gonna put back on my seatbelt in a moment. But thank you guys for watching.